Hello, myself Tarun from class 12 studying at the Arpan Institutes. Today I am going to explain the topic of surface chemistry adsorption. First of all, what is surface chemistry? Surface chemistry is the branch of chemistry that deals with the phenomenon that occurs on the surface. Further, we will discuss about adsorption. What is adsorption? The phenomenon of attracting and retaining the molecule of the substance at the surface of a solid or a liquid, resulting into higher concentration of molecules on the surface than in the bulk of the substance, is called adsorption. Means, for example, this is a solid or a liquid. These are the particles in the air the property of which this solid attracts these particles to it, which lies on its surface but don't goes inside. This is called adsorption, and adsorption is its reverse. The particles go inside rather than outside. Now, these particles are called adsorbate, and this solid or a liquid, any substance, is called adsorbent. Examples of adsorption are adsorption of gas by charcoal. Here, charcoal is adsorbent, and the gas molecules, these can be CO2, sulfur dioxide, etc. These are called adsorbate. These will not go inside, these will lie outside the solid. Next, we move to absorption. What is absorption? To absorb means the phenomenon of obtaining and retaining the molecule of substance at the surface of the solid, not at the surface, inside the surface of solid or a liquid, resulting into higher concentration of molecules in the bulk rather than the surface. Means the molecules will move inside the solid or a liquid but not outside. The molecules will not lie outside, this will go inside. This is called absorption. Like sponge, it is a solid, but when we put water on it, it absorbs the water. The water molecules are more in the bulk than on the surface. Mixture of absorption and adsorption means the molecules will inside and outside both is called sorption. Sorption. The molecules will inside the solid also and outside the solid. This is called sorption. Now we will do difference between absorption and adsorption. Absorption is the phenomenon in which the particles of gas or liquid get uniformly distributed throughout the body of the solid. Now we will do the difference between the absorption and adsorption. In this, the particles are more in the bulk than on the outer surface. But in adsorption, the particles of gas molecules or any solute are outside the solid or liquid than in the bulk. Second point, occurs at the uniform rate. It occurs at a uniform rate. And this, firstly, it is a fast process, then it gets slower. I hope you understand this. Thank you.